I need to know how to fix a Kenmore air conditioner. It just feels like a constant drip of repair costs.
If water was dripping into the house or you just have a mold problem, the pan in the air conditioner is not draining through the drain tube right. You may need to clean lint out of the drain tube or angle it right.
I do not mean literal dripping. It is not cooling things down like it should.
Make sure the thermostat isn't turned off. You'll be surprised how many repair calls are for something like that.
I'd believe that the thermostat is broken.
If the air conditioner cycles on and off a lot, I'd expect the thermostat sensor to be broken. It may even just be touching the evaporator coil and thus not give the proper reading when the unit is on, when it needs to be just in the air near the coil.
This is a house AC, not a window AC.
There's always the chance it is a refrigerant leak.
Not cool. That is almost a fortune to recharge, since they banned CFCs, and that is not even including the repairman's time.
You could check to make sure the condenser is not obstructed. If there are leaves or debris blocking its airflow, it cannot vent hot air well and burns energy trying to get air in.
That's at least a free thing I could check.
There's also the possibility that it is a problem with the control board.
That's about the most expensive thing I could check.
If the control board is broken, as in won't come on, then you know why it is broken. If you select 62 and it thinks you said 82, then you know the control board is damaged.
Some of the newer air conditioners have control boards that rival a PC in intelligence and cost.
Check the control board and look at the error code it gives. If you're lucky, you can reset it and solve the software bug.
What if it does not?
Kenmore Air ES means the evaporator temperature sensor is malfunctioning. AS is the air temperature sensor.
Of course they'd say to replace stuff.
Actually, Sear says turn it off and look for loose wires first, look for damage in pinched wires. Then replace it if there's nothing obvious like an electrocuted squirrel dangling off the wire harness.
And if I'm lucky, it is just an air filter that needs to be replaced.
If in doubt, call Sears. And if they cannot help you, find out if the Kenmore AC was actually made by Whirlpool, and call them.